Days off. I mean, I think too many people take days off who should not be taking days off. I mean, if you are still living paycheck to paycheck, if you're still trying to escape the rat race, you've got work to do. And I know that that sounds countercultural to our 5 day a week, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 culture that says 40 hours is the max that you should work in a given week. I've got news for you. If you want to escape that rat race, you need to figure out a way to be working when others are not, and you need to be figuring out a way to be making moves that will move the needle. When I was in the position of not being able to afford the things that me and my family needed and wanted, there were no days off. Now I'm a Christian, so I take Sunday off to give that to the Lord and those kind of things, maintaining the Sabbath. But to sit around thinking that, oh, it's Memorial Day, it's Labor Day, it's 4th of July, that no work is going to be done on those days. Those days are not sacred days. Those days are designed to make it so that you go out and spend a bunch of money. And if you're in the real wealth formula, trying to make it so that you escape that rat race, that your passive income becomes larger than monthly expenses, that you don't have to work for anyone else, that is really not an option. You need to get to work. You need to be out there doing deals. You need to be writing offers. You need to be learning if that's the hang up that you're at, whatever part of the path you're in. If you're trying to figure out how to even make this all work for yourself, I got news for you. Go and get to work. Don't take days off. Don't be sitting around watching other people live their dreams. Go make those dreams a reality for yourself. So don't take days off. Get to work. Improve whatever needs to be improved along the pathway. And eventually you'll be able to take as many days off as you want. And then you'll recognize taking days off is just not that glamorous. There's only so much golf you can play. There's only so many Mai Tais you can sip on the beach. There's only so many vacation days you can have before you shrivel up as a human being thinking, there's no purpose for my life. Like there's nothing else to do other than golf and beaches and travel. Like, don't get me wrong, I love golf. I golf all the time. I have a membership at a great golf course here in town. I golf with my kids. I golf with clients. I golf with customers. I golf with students. I golf with everyone. I golf as much as I want. But if golf is the only thing I'm doing, that's a life unlived. No, go find a better purpose that you can go pursue that makes it so that it's the outcome of something that you don't have to do, but that you want to do. So we got into this trap of work being only to survive. Work being, I got to do this in order to pay the bills and make ends meet. There's work that you have to do, true, but you got to get to the point where you're doing work that you want to do. And that's what my admonition to you is today. Figure that out. For me, it was real estate. So I can teach you about real estate. If you want to learn how to escape the rat race by doing something real estate you can do on nights, on weekends, margins inside of your day, you don't have to quit your job in order to do real estate, in order to do real estate investing, in order to start working for yourself. You don't have to do it that way. Send me a DM. I'm happy to give you a free consultation that we can kind of work the success plan with you, figure out exactly what's going on with your situation and how you might be able to leverage real estate investing for your own personal gain to be able to escape that rat race and start working on your terms. That way, you are able to take as many days off as you want without having to come back and dread that Tuesday after a long weekend. And so go send me a DM. We'll get you in touch with a free consultation. It's not going to cost you anything. And at least hear what pros who have done it before would recommend for you, because your circumstance is different than anyone else's circumstance. Your circumstance is unique to you, and there is not a one size fits all to success. You can't just plug in certain aspects and say, oh, it'll work for me. You have a different personality than I do, than other students. And so what we do is work to craft a custom plan just for you. If that's what you're looking for, send me a direct message. I'm happy to get you in touch with our consulting representatives that will help you ask the right questions, get the right answers, and craft a specialized plan that'll make it so that you can succeed, that you can get out of the rat race. Send me a direct message. I'll get you in contact with them. And I tell you what, it might change the trajectory of your life.